About to be a good one, boys. No way, look at this thing. Alrighty, what's going on, guys? My name is Alex Whittick and welcome back to my YouTube channel. A little bit different, kind of OG starting intro to my YouTube videos. I'm super excited today, overly whelmed. Actually, I'm gonna be going to see some friends, some super cool cars, so stay along, guys. If you're not subscribed, make sure you smash that subscribe button. We're trying to hit 50K by September. I know we could do it. We just need the boys. And I'm excited, so let's head out. So I'm really excited because right now we're heading on over to my buddy Kyle's house, who has an RB25 swapped S13, which we're going to be showing in the video, which I'm super excited about. But my buddy Nate, who was in the outro of the video the other day when we threw the mac and cheese out of the hood exit, his car is getting coilovers. The boys already started. I don't know how deep they are into it, but let's head on over there, see how far they're into it, see the progress. It's a super cool car. He got some BCs for it. I'm so excited to see it. So let's make this drive, get on over there. Stay excited. I guess there's a fire somewhere. I'm just driving and I'm like, what is that? I dropped the windows and I'm like, what the heck? All right, so I literally just pulled in here and Kyle's got this Johnner. His dad's cleaned me out of, and I don't know if the RX-7 runs, but. Hello! Hello!
Hey!
Hello! They just got these BC coilovers like a week ago for this. Yo, what year is this RX-7?
83.
83? Mm-hmm. Oh my god. This thing's pretty nice. You excited to make it go lower and stuff?
Oh yeah.
And then over here, guys, we have an S13. What year is this S13?
93.
We got a 93 S13 with an RB25 in it. I don't even know what to say. Kyle built this in his garage. Obviously knows what he's doing. This thing is absolutely insane. Way out of my league. I know nothing about Japanese cars, but I watch a lot of Jimmy Oaks, so seeing something like this is just absolutely insane. The man, the myth, the legend right here. So Kyle and I actually went to high school together and he told me that he was gonna do an RB25 in this thing. And I was like, there's absolutely no chance. I don't believe it. I'll believe it when I see it. And you know what? Man's made this happen. I'm super excited. Are you gonna start this thing?
Oh yeah, I'm gonna start. Ready?
Let's see it. Oh yeah, dude, I am more than excited right now. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Super Will. I need to get myself something like this.
Year and a half.
You built this whole setup in a year and a half.
Holy, everything from paint, body work, engine swap. I did all the fab work. I did all the harness. I did everything on it.
Jesus Christ.
And the tune. Let's use the tune too. So this is my full map. I gotta tweak everything on it. But,
Oh my God. So you do your own tuning as well?
yeah.
Jeez,
Yeah, dude. So with that, at like 14 psi with this wastegate spring pressure,
Yeah.
we pushing like 500 pounds.
No way.
500 horse, yeah.
Holy crap. Oh my God. Kyle was just telling me that this is actually a power steering pump. What's the power steering pump out of again?
It's a Volvo S40.
Jesus Christ.
Yeah.
This is absolutely insane. These tails, what tails are these?
eBay.
eBay tails?
eBay.
I know nothing, so. Wow, and then you got the over fenders. These over fenders are sick as well. What is this, like 15 mil?
These are 120s.
Really? 20? Wow. So we've actually got to go ahead and cut 25 mil off of these knuckles, and then you put the new coil over the sleeve. So Kyle's gonna come out here with the drill, and we're gonna drill these out just so that the nitrogen inside of the suspension comes out, but also the shock fluid. So hopefully it doesn't spray all over us. That was so uneventful. Nate, I think your sound editing's a little old. So as they cut away on those struts, I actually remembered that Kyle had actually traded his RX-7 for another S13. I thought it was an RX-7 when we first pulled up. I was like, oh, the RX-7. But literally traded it for another S13. This thing is... Jeez. Hey, you gonna miss it?
No.
Oh, you couldn't just like throw it into the woods or something dramatic?
Oh, I mean, hey, if you want to, go for it. You do it, Nate. It's
Hey, do you know what you're doing?
Yeah, can you give it a few pumps?
Nate, wake up!
Hey!
There you go.
Hello everybody, my name's Nate. This right here is a Miata, a little red sports car. It's got some wheels. It's got a mirror.
Okay.
It's got another one on the other side.
Cleanest Miata in the game.
It's got some coilovers. Makes you look dope.
Ooh.
It's got a dent right here. Good luck. Actually though, it's like this thing actually rips from Miata. It's sick. But when I was sitting in my head, I can see over the windshield.
Nate, would you say Kyle's dad's Miata is cleaner than your RX-7?
At the moment, yes, but
It's about to be
wait for like an
slammed.
hour until it's like slammed balls deep.
Quick little lunch break. And another shout out to Jesse James West. Last bite, best bite. Perfect snack. Kyle, that spray is just majestic.
right.
So we're getting all the fluids off this from cutting the shock out. And then the new coilovers are actually gonna go over this as a sleeve, and they're gonna weld it to it. So Kyle's just spraying that down so we can have a clean weldable surface. We don't catch on fire and die. That would not be good.
What's up guys? Welcome to Nathaniel Toon Vlogs. I just stole Alex Whittick's camera. It's a little rundown on the RX-7. The rear springs on and shocks on both sides.
I'm gonna put this in the video, but I'm gonna do a bunch of cuts.
Alright, so right now we got the front almost ready to go.
Yay! So Nate, tell me, how do you feel about your struts getting welded?
Pretty good. As you can see, he's doing it right now. Right in the middle of it. Firework, fire bead.
Absolutely fire. Absolutely beautiful. Some slag dropping here and there, but
he's opening a new business actually called Anal Beads soon. So if you didn't know about that.
I got literally like burn marks in my eyes right now. It's so bad.
I don't go well.
So Kyle's prepping the other strut to be welded, but I just want to point out to you guys that this thing is completely rust free. This 240 is immaculate. The interior is apart right now because this was going to be an LS swap, but it's literally got like no rust on it. It's awesome. All right, so Kyle's dad gave us the Miata to go pick up pizza. So we're just going some good old Miata driving, go pick up some pizzas, I guess. We're literally in the middle of nowhere. We've got a barn right here. This is some serious stuff. A lot of ones you got there.
Yes, sir.
I don't know, it's just so small. Two big dudes getting in a freaking Miata with pizza. Alright, let's do this. Oh my god. Oh, don't do it. Yeah. Nate has absolutely no clue what he's doing, but he's got some fake gold on him too. Damn, boy, dripping. Nate, you know what you're doing? Nope. Perfect. Slight update. Nate has made progress on this one. Kyle has taped up that one. And this might not even make the final cut, but if it does, comment down below, 69. Today's Instagram shout out goes to Christian Daly. Today's Instagram shout out goes to Christian Daly. Today's Instagram shout out goes to Christian Shelton Daly. Thank you so much for commenting down below and leaving that hashtag down below. It really helps the channel. If you guys want the chance to have your Instagram shout out, all you have to do is comment down below your Instagram and leave today's hashtag, which is hashtag trending. It really helps out the channel, guys. Thank you so much. We're on the road to 50K, which is absolutely insane. And don't forget to throw the video a like. Today's like goal is 500 likes. Smash that like button if you're enjoying today's video so far. And get back to eating your popcorn. Alright guys, well I'm gonna head out for the night. Nate, you sad that I'm leaving?
A little bit. You don't get to see the finished project.
Nate's gonna send me some videos of this whole setup so you guys will see it in like literally 2 seconds, but
I can't even fit a finger in this.
And we'll make another video next week.
yeah, we're gonna make a whole nother video of this car driving and stuff, so Kyle's gonna get this car wrapped up. Kyle's gonna get the springs preload all fixed up and stuff, and get her sitting right. The Miata, so beautiful. Kyle, adios, great seeing you. We'll see more Kyle, we'll see more of him, so bye Nate.
Bye.
Alrighty guys, that's gonna be a wrap on today's video. I really hope you enjoyed. I love making that video. The RB sounds so good. Nate's RX-7 is awesome. It's gonna be so sick. If you guys wanna see a video of that car driving, I'll make a vlog with him sometime in the near future, maybe this week or next week, so throw that down in the comments if you guys wanna see that. Also guys, remember your vehicle is special to you and it's a little branch, it's a little piece of you, so don't let anyone judge you. Whatever you wanna do to it, if it makes you smile, do it. So that's me a wrap. If you guys aren't subscribed, then make sure you smash that subscribe button. Throw the video a like if you enjoyed. Keep smiling. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.